and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Asics SVD collab on the beige, black, and green colorway. Let's take a sneak peek. Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So head on over to that site after this video is done. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Asics Gel-Lyte III SVD collab. And this is pretty exciting. I'm obsessed with these colorways, so we're going to go through the overview on the sneaker, then talk about size and fit, followed by how I style this. I think as we're getting into the fall, this is going to be probably one of my go-to sneakers for the fall winter time. And then we're going to conclude with how much these are going for retail, as well as where to find these shoes. All right, let's jump into this overview and talk about this beautiful structured silhouette. So I already am looking at this, and there's literally so much going on here. So we have an organic cotton textile on the upper, which is really cool. It kind of feels like a reusable bag in a weird way in this beige color. You can also kind of see the top of this suede upper definitely has been recycled, and you can tell because it kind of looks like space hippie. You can see all of these different colors going on. So as we move up to the top, really cool laces. This actually reminds me of my City Market laces. Just a really nice kind of natural look in that beige color, which I think pops off nicely with the split tongue. It has this kind of really cool marbled effect. So let's look at those details, and then let's move on to the side panels. Right, so moving on to the side panels, we've got some eco leather on the Asics Tiger Stripe, which is really cool. Very eco-friendly, sustainable shoe, and it's a nice pop of black on top of that just kind of cool organic cotton textile underneath. We then have some just deep dark green that really just plays so nicely with the black and beige color scheme. Working our way to the back of the shoe, again, we've got some more of this really cool recycled speckled effect on this kind of, it feels almost like it's a suede texture as well, but definitely recycled. Then we've got the Asics and gel on the back, as well as the logo for the SVD on the bottom there. Working around, you can kind of feel that this tongue is quite squishy, and so it actually is recycled foam inside of here, which is really cool. We've got SVD on the insole, and the insole is black, and on this one we have Asics also black. And then we've got some really cool, just simple gum bottom looking midsole here, and it's a nice gum bottom on the back or on the bottom of the shoe in a darker color scheme. All right, let's take a look at those final details. All right, so this is a really cool box, and it actually, the packaging pays homage to the environment. So we've got the world on here, which really is cool. And it also pays homage to the two brands uniting. So this is the first time that SVD has actually done a collaboration with Asics before. And what's really cool is, so SVD branding actually stands for, let me show it for you on this side, is Sivasdescalzo. And this is a Spain-based brand. They have two stores, one in Madrid and one in Barcelona.
Entrecejo. This is entrecejo, between the two cejas. If you have somebody on your entrecejo, is that you are going for somebody that you want just to...
So pretty cool brand, and I wish they had stores here because I would love to shop at it. But really love this collab, and I love that it's a sustainable and eco-friendly collaboration as far as the box goes and as far as the shoe goes. All right, so let's talk about size and fit on these. I went true to size, so I'm a 7.5 in men's, which is equivalent to a size 7 or 9 in women's. I do have narrow, high arch feet, so if you do have flat-footed feet that are on the wider side, this may decipher a different size range that fits and works best for you. All right, let's jump into the styling. So I had so much fun styling this. As we're just prepping for the winter time, I'm excited to be getting into these kind of color schemes. So for the first look, I wore some baggy green cargo pants, and I tied that together with just a simple white tank top. I think the green really played off the accents in the shoe. Look, I decided to wear cargo pants as well, but this time in a khaki color scheme, and I feel like the khaki just really played off the midsole quite nicely. I paired that with a button down in kind of a yellowy colorway that also had some beiges in there, which I think the beige really just worked well again with the color scheme in this, and just a simple white cropped tank underneath that. For the last and final look, I decided to dress it up a little bit. This time I wanted to pull more greens, but this time in a dress form. So I wore kind of a ribbed dress on the sides, and it was just a nice kind of tie-dye pattern, which I think just went with the marbled effect of the shoe. And I think it fit in quite nicely as kind of just a balancing out of the colorway that we have going on here. right, you let me know down below, was your favorite look out of the 3, or how would you decide to sell these shoes?
Love me mother, send the dollar, that's just all I say. Undercover, then they call me, yes, so boom, bye, yeah. Whatty, thanks for waiting, better move my way. Stop the hating, no debating, here's the truth I say. On your mark, get set and go. Mind the line like a rectangle. I'll be fine if they let man go. Go's been good, had to let man know. Ain't no need to finesse angles. They don't see what the left hand knows. I don't need what the next man shows. I say, go side. Love me mother, send the dollar, that's just all I say. Undercover, then they call me, yes, so boom, bye, yeah. Whatty, thanks for waiting, better move my way. Stop the hating, no debating, here's the truth I say. Go side, go side, go side, go side. Shorty mommy, walk by, multi-corny, walk by. Shorty mommy, walk by, multi-corny, walk by. I know what they're just gonna say. Got the nerve to come in my lane. I won't give you none of my time. Keep that energy for my space. Don't you hate, don't you violate me. I got 100 more, so don't make me. By the time we done, you gon' rate me. And it's for the sun, so don't make me. Oh, bye. This right here is a whole party. No talks with an enemy, no parlay. Tell the old guy and the old Charlie. We just want vibing and go our way. Sing about God, he the most high great. They can say that's so boom by, yeah. But I ain't never met one like Yahweh, that's so by it. Go side, go side, go side.
Now let's conclude with how these shoes are selling on the retail market. So these are going for $170. There are still some sizes left on the Asics website, as well as the Sivasdescalzo site. So definitely check in there and see if they have your size available. I know a lot of the larger sizes are not, and the smaller sizes also, but there are kind of some midway sizes, specifically mine, that are still available on the site. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much, everyone who's new here today. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up also if you haven't done that. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that join button because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button in our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next one.